Embark on an enlightening journey into the world of extended metaphors, a literary device that adds depth, complexity, and richness to literary texts. This comprehensive guide, tailored for AP English literature students, aims to demystify the process of interpreting extended metaphors, enabling a deeper appreciation and understanding of the layered meanings in literary works. By exploring the nuances of this powerful literary tool, we aim to equip students with the analytical skills necessary to excel in AP English literature and to foster a lifelong engagement with the subtleties of literary interpretation. The essence of extended metaphors. An extended metaphor, or conceit, is a metaphor that extends over a long portion of a text, weaving through sentences or even the entire work, drawing a detailed comparison between two seemingly unrelated things. Unlike a simple metaphor, an extended metaphor is developed over several lines or passages, enriching the narrative and offering insights into themes, characters, and the author's intent. Understanding how to interpret extended metaphors is crucial for AP English literature students, as it opens the door to a deeper exploration of the text's thematic and symbolic layers. Identifying extended metaphors. The first step in interpreting extended metaphors is identifying them within the text. This involves recognizing when an author is drawing a comparison that goes beyond a single line or sentence, paying attention to recurring imagery, symbols, or references that tie back to a central idea or theme. Students should look for patterns in the language, imagery, and concepts used by the author, noting how these elements coalesce to form a comprehensive comparison. Analyzing the components of extended metaphors. Once an extended metaphor is identified, the next step is to analyze its components. This includes understanding the literal and figurative elements of the comparison, exploring how the author uses language to link these elements, and examining the implications of the metaphor. By dissecting the extended metaphor, students can uncover the underlying messages or themes the author seeks to convey and how the metaphor contributes to the overall meaning of the text. Extended metaphors and thematic development. Extended metaphors often play a crucial role in developing the themes of a literary work. By drawing a sustained comparison between two elements, authors can explore complex ideas and themes in depth, offering nuanced insights into subjects such as love, loss, identity, or conflict. Students should consider how the extended metaphor enhances their understanding of the work's themes, analyzing how the metaphorical comparison deepens the exploration of these concepts. The role of extended metaphors in characterization. In addition to thematic development, extended metaphors can also contribute to characterization. By comparing characters to certain objects, animals, or concepts, authors can reveal deeper aspects of their personalities, motivations, or conflicts. Students should examine how extended metaphors provide insight into characters, considering how the comparison illuminates the characters' roles within the narrative and their relationships with others. Interpreting extended metaphors. A step-by-step approach. To effectively interpret extended metaphors, AP English literature students should adopt a systematic approach. 1. Identify the extended metaphor and its components. 2. Analyze how the metaphor is developed throughout the text. 3. Consider the metaphor's contribution to thematic development and characterization. 4. Reflect on the metaphor's overall significance within the work, connecting it to the author's intent and the text's deeper meanings. Crafting an analysis of extended metaphors. Incorporating extended metaphors into literary analysis essays involves more than just identification. It requires a thoughtful exploration of how the metaphor enhances the work's complexity. Students should provide specific examples from the text to illustrate the metaphor's development and impact, offering a clear and cogent analysis that ties the extended metaphor to the broader themes and intentions of the work. The power of extended metaphors in literary interpretation. Mastering the interpretation of extended metaphors enriches students' literary analysis, enabling them to engage more deeply with texts and appreciate the intricacies of literary expression. This skill not only prepares students for success in AP English literature but also cultivates an appreciation for the art of literature and the myriad ways authors use language to explore the human condition. In conclusion, delving into the world of extended metaphors opens up a realm of interpretive possibilities, offering AP English literature students the tools to unlock the richness and depth of literary texts. As students hone their skills in interpreting extended metaphors, they not only enhance their analytical capabilities but also deepen their connection to literature, uncovering the layers of meaning that make literary works enduring and captivating. Through this exploration, students prepare themselves for academic success and a lifetime of insightful literary engagement.